Welcome to Cars View. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets behind one of the most iconic car manufacturers in history, Mercedes-Benz. From precision engineering to groundbreaking technology, Mercedes doesn't just make cars, they craft experiences. So buckle up, and let's discover what truly makes a Mercedes a Mercedes. Mercedes-Benz wasn't born overnight. It all started in 1886 when Carl Benz built what's considered the first gasoline-powered automobile. Just imagine, it had 3 wheels and a top speed of 10 miles per hour. Meanwhile, Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach were working on their own innovations. Eventually, their companies merged in 1926, forming what we now know as Mercedes-Benz. But here's a little-known fact. The name Mercedes came from a young girl, Mercedes Jelinek, the daughter of an Austrian businessman who loved racing. He insisted Daimler name their cars after her. That's right. The Mercedes legacy started with a child's name. Mercedes-Benz follows a design mantra that's deceptively simple: the best or nothing. But behind that phrase is an obsession with details, symmetry, and flow. Every line on a Mercedes is intentional. Their designers use clay models, virtual reality, and wind tunnel testing to refine curves and angles. Even the sound of the car door closing is engineered to feel premium. That thunk isn't just luck, it's precision. Most Mercedes vehicles are built in Sindelfingen, a futuristic production hub near Stuttgart, Germany. This facility isn't just a factory, it's a technology fortress. We're talking about robotic arms that assemble cars with micromillimeter accuracy, laser-guided welding systems, and augmented reality for worker training. But here's the twist: each Mercedes is partially hand-built. Especially for models like the S-Class or AMG, skilled technicians finish touches manually to ensure perfection. Ever seen the letters AMG on a Mercedes and wondered what they mean? AMG started as an independent racing firm. Aufrecht, Melcher, Grossesbach. These guys weren't playing around. They tuned Mercedes engines to dominate racetracks. Eventually, Mercedes bought AMG, and now they create performance monsters, cars that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, and still offer heated massage seats. Each AMG engine is assembled by a single technician, and they sign it when it's done. That's pride in craftsmanship. Mercedes isn't just about speed and luxury. They've been innovation pioneers for decades. In 1978, they introduced the first anti-lock braking system, ABS. In the 1990s, they led the charge with airbags, traction control, and electronic stability programs. And in recent years, MBUX, the Mercedes-Benz user experience, has set new standards for in-car AI, voice control, and connectivity. When you talk to your car and it answers back, thank Mercedes. Now let's talk about the future. Mercedes-Benz is going fully electric with its EQ lineup. From the EQE to the EQS, they're combining their luxury DNA with a green mission. By 2030, they aim for 50% of their lineup to be electric or hybrid. Their factories are shifting to carbon-neutral production. Even their battery supply chain is being optimized for sustainability. But luxury isn't lost. You still get ambient lighting, digital dashboards, and zero cabin noise, just with no emissions. Ever wondered why old Mercedes cars still run like clockwork? It's the result of over-engineering. Mercedes parts are built to last beyond expectations. That's why you see 1980s models still driving around today. They use high-grade steel, durable electronics, and conduct thousands of stress tests before approving a component. They're not just building for today, they're designing for decades. Here's a secret most people don't know. The vehicle identification number, VIN of a Mercedes can tell you everything: where it was built, what engine it has, and even the level of trim. Mercedes has some of the most detailed VIN codes in the industry. And yes, enthusiasts decode them to verify a car's authenticity. So what makes a Mercedes? A Mercedes? It's not just the three-pointed star. It's a legacy of innovation, unmatched precision, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. From the first gas-powered car to the electric vehicles of tomorrow, Mercedes-Benz continues to shape the way we move. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. This is Cars View, where automotive legends come to life. See you in the next video. Thank you for following, and the future will be more beautiful.